this video. Today we will discuss some of an interesting topics about the mathematics of uncertainty, chapter 8 book written by Ian Stewart entitled of Do Dice Play God? In this video, you will learn about analytic theory of probability, deterministic, clockwise universe, and the theories under determinism. So hope you guys will enjoy watching and learning from our video. And don't forget to take down notes. So, let's start!
Hi everyone, it's Kim here and I just get home so don't mind my background and my mess here. So now let's discuss about the analytic of probability by Ferry-Simon de Laplace or Ferry-Simon de Laplace. Ferry-Simon de Laplace is a famous French mathematician, astronomer, and physicist was best known for his investigation in the stability of the solar system. He also demonstrated the usefulness of probability for interpreting scientific data. In 1814, Laplace published a popular work for the general reader, a philosophical essay on the probabilities. This work was the introduction to the edition of his comprehensive and important analysis of theory of probability. Analytical theory of probability was first published in 1812, in which he described many of the tools he invented for mathematically predicting the probabilities that particular events will occur in the nature. He applied his theory not only to the ordinary problems of chance but also to the causes of phenomena, vital statistics, and future events, while emphasizing its importance by physics and astronomy.
Probability. Probability is simply how likely an event occurs or how likely that proposition is true. The formula for solving probability is successful outcomes over total possible outcomes. For example, a die. A standard die has sides numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you roll it, any of these sides is just as likely to come up as the others, and there are 6 possible outcomes. So using the formula, the probability is getting the desired outcomes is 1 over 6. According to Mahatma Gandhi, true education is about getting the best out on oneself. I hope that you feel motivated because our next topic is about deterministic.
Deterministic comes from the word determinism. It means lack of free will. It is the opposite of a random event in mathematics, computer science, and physics. A deterministic system is a system in which a randomness is involved in the development of a future state in the system. If you have a necessary date to predict or determine something, then the outcome will be 100% certainty. The process of calculating output is called deterministic process or procedure. One example can be conversation of calculus and calculate, since the formula is not random. It means that the exact formula that will always give you the correct answer will given the initial state or condition. Procedure will always wave the same result.
So, what is a clockwork universe? In the history of science, the clockwork universe compared the universe to a mechanical clock. It continues ticking along as a perfect machine with its gears governed by a law of physics, making every aspect of the machine predictable. So there are two theories under determinism. One is a quantum mechanics and the second one is a classical mechanics. Quantum mechanics was determined by Albert Einstein in his famous statement, "You believe in a God who plays dice in a complete law and order." It differs from classical physics and that energy, momentum, angular momentum, and other quantities of Bond system. Classical mechanics is often referred to as Newtonian mechanics. It consists of the physical concept based on the foundation works of Sir Isaac Newton in the 17th century to describe the motion of bodies under influence of a system of phases.
Now that we are done discussing all the topics in the chapter 8 of the book Nature's Number, entitled Do Dice Play God, we hope you learned something from us as we explored interviewing uncertainties.